If you have felt your engine surge unexpectedly or noticed it just feels weak and sluggish when you are driving at low speeds, you might be dealing with an airflow management issue. We are looking at the trouble code P2204, which translates to the intake manifold runner control being stuck open on bank 1. This code applies to pretty much any vehicle made after 1996, from Mazdas to Jeep. Basically, your car's computer, or PCM, has realized that the actuator responsible for controlling the air flaps on the main engine bank is stuck in the open position. Let me explain why this matters. Your engine uses a system called the IMRC to fine-tune how air enters the cylinder. These are metal flaps that sit right in the intake ports. When you are idling or driving slowly, these flaps are supposed to be partially closed. This creates a swirling effect with the air, almost like a mini tornado, which helps the fuel mix better and burn cleaner. When you step on the gas, they open up to let maximum air in. When they get stuck open all the time, you lose that swirling effect at low speeds, which kills your fuel efficiency and low-end power. The problem usually boils down to a few common suspects. It could be the actuator solenoid itself failing, or the vacuum lines controlling it might be cracked. But very often, it is physical binding. Over time, carbon and gunk build up inside the intake manifold walls, causing those flaps to get sticky and jam. Sometimes the screws holding the flaps can even loosen up. To fix this, you'll want to grab a scan tool and a digital volt ohm meter. Always check for technical service bulletins first, as this is a common issue on many models. Start with a visual inspection of the actuator connectors, as they love to corrode. If the electronics check out, you might need to physically disconnect the actuator arm and move the flaps by hand to see if they are binding. If they are stuck, you're looking at cleaning that carbon out or replacing the runner assembly to get your engine breathing right again.